Hello students and parents. Welcome to another episode of Carly's Craft Corner. I am so excited because today we are going to be doing Moana. Follow me. Okay, for our first prop, we are going to be making an ocean in a bottle. The materials that you need are any sort of cooking oil, a clear plastic bottle with a cap on it, tap water, blue or green food dye. I only had green, that's okay. Optional, a funnel. This will make your life a lot easier. If you don't have a funnel, you can always do it in your sink or outside. You don't need the funnel, but it does make things easy. And some glitter, or maybe you have sand or small seashells or hydro beads that you want to put into your ocean to decorate it. You can also decorate the bottle with stickers. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is put my funnel into my plastic bottle. Again, you don't have to use the funnel, it just makes it easier. You can always just do this in your sink and pour carefully. All right, I'm gonna fill my bottle up with water. You wanna make sure you put a little bit of water in there, but you don't wanna fill it up all the way. All right, next up, I'm going to be adding my food dye. I'm just gonna add a tiny couple drips. Oop, that was a lot, that's okay. And then I'm gonna add some cooking oil. I'm gonna add about as long as it takes to say Moana. Moana. And then I'm gonna add some glitter. This is optional. You can also add sand if you have it, or seashells. But I want it to be really sparkly. Okay. Let's screw that cap on. You want to screw it on really nice and tight and make sure nothing gets out. All right, to mix up my ocean, I'm going to do a nice little bit of ocean waves. And as you can see, the oil mixes with the water and gives you that fun bubbly look. Now's the time to stick some stickers on your bottle, decorate your bottle. Maybe you have some Sharpies, you can draw a little ocean scene on there. But let's see if we can mix it more. Actually, it looks kind of cool. I've got my ocean water. For our second prop, we are going to be making Moana's Heart of Tafiti necklace. The materials that you need are a small piece of cardboard. I ripped this off a package box. A rope, string, or ribbon. This was actually embroidery floss that I braided. Blue and white paint. Because I'm doing paint, I also need a paintbrush. A marker or pen to draw with. And scissors. Of course, ask your parents before using these. Let's begin. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is we want to draw an oval on our cardboard. The necklace isn't that big, but I am going to make it a little oversized just because, you know, that's costume jewelry. All right, there's my oval. I'm going to add a small dot, mark my dot so I know where I want the top of my necklace to be. Next, we are going to cut out our necklace. And then I want to poke a hole right there. I'm going to use my scissors, so make sure that you have your parents' help when doing this. Okay, got a little hole so I can thread it. All right, next we are going to paint our Heart of Tafiti. The first thing that I'm going to do is use my cardboard here when I'm painting. I'm using a paint pen since I don't have white paint, but you would just start by making a wavy shape, almost like an ocean wave. And then I'm going to fill this in. we are going to wait for that to dry, and we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. While we wait for that to dry, let me give you a couple of tips. You don't have to use paint to make your Heart of Defeaty necklace blue. You can use bits of blue tissue paper and white tissue paper glued on with Elmer's glue. You can use painter's tape because it's already blue and sticky, and just stick it on there, covering it, making it blue. There's just some other options for you if you don't feel like getting messy with paint today. All right, let's let this dry. Okay, now that we have both sides painted and dry, we are going to do the final step, attach it to the string. Okay. I'm just folding my string in half because I find it easier to push it through that little tiny hole that way. And using my fingernails, I'm just gonna try to grab it. Just want one end to go through. Okay, so as you can see, we have the necklace, but when you're wearing it, it's probably gonna hang to the side like that. So a little trick is to tie a knot at the top. So I'm just going to make a nice little number 4, and I am going to pull that end through, guiding that knot until it's about at the top of my pendant. Okay, now when I hold it, it stays nice and even in the center for me. Perfect. Boy.